The Sahara Desert, a vast expanse larger than most countries in the world, known as a harsh, hot place, almost untouched by life. But even though we know it as a desert full of sand, there are many surprising things you might not know about this place. Are you ready to uncover the surprising facts about the Sahara Desert that few people know? Let's get started.
Imagine a green Sahara. Yes, about 10,000 years ago, this desert was very different. Before the climate changed drastically, the Sahara was a fertile place, full of lakes, forests, and life. It might be hard to imagine, but traces of this past can still be found through the fossils of ancient animals like elephants and zebras, showing that this area was once rich in life. Archaeological evidence also shows that ancient humans lived and hunted in this area, but climate change turned the Sahara into the desert we know today, an unimaginable transformation. Who says deserts are always dry? Beneath the surface of the Sahara, there are underground rivers that can channel water throughout the desert. Recent research shows that at a depth of several hundred meters, there are vast reserves of fresh water that could sustain many people. In fact, most of this water has been there for thousands of years, trapped in layers of rock. Some scientists even estimate that there is more hidden water under the Sahara than all the surface water combined.
Have you ever heard of rain in the Sahara? Although this desert is known for its hot and dry weather, it occasionally rains here. However, rain in the Sahara is very rare, occurring only a few times a year. When it rains, the barren land instantly transforms into a fertile field with wild plants growing as if by magic. This sight is stunning and is a rare natural phenomenon that hardly happens anywhere else. Oases in the middle of the Sahara, places that offer life amid the endless sands. But did you know that these oases are not just resting places for explorers? There are over 100 oases scattered across the Sahara, and some of them contain unique ecosystems. Some oases even have colonies of fish that survive without external water sources. This is one of the greatest mysteries that remain largely unexplained, how these small ecosystems can survive in such extreme conditions.
Who would have thought? The Sahara Desert is not just an empty expanse of sand. Beneath its deep sands lie astonishing historical remnants. Around the areas of Libya and Egypt, ancient pyramids and sites have been found that reveal the existence of a great civilization long before ancient Egypt. There are even findings suggesting that trade between Nubia and Egypt was conducted through the Sahara when it was greener and more habitable. However, because of the covering sands, many of these sites remain hidden. The winds in the Sahara, known as Saharawinds, are very strong sand winds that can carry sand thousands of kilometers away. These winds not only affect the desert landscape, but also have a significant impact on global climate. Every year, Sahara winds carry millions of tons of sand to other parts of the world. They even play a role in altering the climate in faraway places, such as the Amazon, which receives nutrients from Sahara sand, making it one of the most fertile ecosystems on Earth. When we talk about the future of the Sahara, there are some quite surprising predictions. With global climate change, many scientists predict that the Sahara Desert will expand further into previously more fertile areas. Meanwhile, climate change is also causing more extreme droughts in the surrounding regions. How will this affect human life and ecosystems around the Sahara? We can only guess. The Sahara is not just a vast, endless expanse of desert. It is a place full of mysteries and history that we do not fully understand. From hidden life beneath the surface to climate changes affecting its future, the Sahara Desert remains one of the most fascinating and enigmatic places on Earth. Are you interested in exploring more about the Sahara? Write your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss other interesting videos. See you in the next video.